Okay, I'm out in the middle of a thunderstorm, and this is out here underneath the clouds. I mean, as you can see, there's lightning everywhere. I always say these are attracted to storms. The clouds are getting extra super thick. Great. Well, that was cool. Well, sorry, I only got a couple minutes of it, but I was on my way out and I saw that. I mean, it's storming here in Chicago, so it wasn't a fake. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks to all new subscribers, and check out Alien Bros. He's got some good stuff going there.